10 new hairstyles for long hair that you can try today. One. Blunt bangs hairstyle. The hair is cut straight across the forehead in a blunt manner. Similar to straight across bangs but thicker and sometimes looking heavier. 2. Updo hairstyle. An updo is a hairstyle that involves arranging the hair so that it is pointing up. It can be as simple as a ponytail, but is more commonly associated. 3. Bangs with waves hairstyle. Bangs with waves usually make people look younger. 4. Sleek and shiny hairstyle. Sleek and shiny hairstyle will make you a different person, because straight hair has the power to transform you from drab to fab. 5. Ponytail. A ponytail is a hairstyle in which some, most or all of the hair on the head is pulled away from the face, gathered and secured at the back of the head. 6. Messy bun. The secret way to getting the perfect look. One of our favorite things about buns is they work well on dirty hair. 7. Slicked back. An easy hairstyle to recreate. Slicked back hair is very glamorous and will make you feel like a celebrity. 8. Sleek knot. Look like a queen and feel like a queen with this sleek knot bun that looks dazzling. 9. Cascading hair. This is an extremely popular hairstyle for women with long hair. Highlight your hair to add the OM factor. 10. Left loose. When you have long hair, why do anything to it? If this question strikes a chord, then this look is perfect for you. Are you ready? Please subscribe Darla for future makeup tips and advice.